Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom actions for your iPhone. Now, have you ever noticed that your device doesn't have a restart button, for example? So if you go to power off your iPhone, you get several options. You get slide to power off, you get medical ID, and you get the emergency calls, but you do not get a restart button. And this is just an example of some of the utilities I'm going to show you how to create on your device. And I'm sure a lot of you guys probably didn't know about this one. So I have an entire folder here on my dock, as you can see here, with several utilities and widgets that may be useful at a quick press. Okay, so we have the airplane mode, we have low powered mode, we have battery stats, flash, silent mode, hotspot, control center, and all of these are functional. So I can enable these directly from my home screen. And you see right here, so if I don't have silent mode enabled, I can click on silent mode and my iPhone goes into silent mode. So let me show you how to add very useful utilities to the home screen of your iPhone completely free. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you download the Shortcuts application for your iPhone and then launch the Shortcuts app on your phone. So right here under Shortcuts, you want to select the Shortcuts option, and on the top, you want to go ahead and create a shortcut. Now right here, what you're going to want to do is tap into the controls right here option under search. And right here, you have several options to choose from. You see here from different actions to connectivity. So you can enable things like airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cell data, hotspot. We also have display options, as you can see right here, orientation lock, set specific brightness, even lock the screen of your iPhone, or you can do things like navigate, open applications, and different capture options for the camera application as well. So let's say you want to go ahead and create a restart option for your iPhone. Let's say your iPhone is having issues, it's sort of glitchy, and you just want to restart your phone, and you don't want to sit there powering off your phone, waiting until it powers off, and then pressing the side button to restart your phone. So let's say you want to go ahead and create a restart button for your phone. So right here under these options, you want to select the shutdown option. Right there it is. Now once you do that, you want to tap into the shutdown options for the submenu and select restart, just like so. Now once you do that, you want to go ahead and down here click on the share options and then add to home screen. Now right here you can select a color for the icon or for the shortcut here. You can rename it for whatever it is that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and rename it restart. Okay, and then I can select any icon from down here. I'm just going to select this icon for the purpose of the video and click done. And now I can go ahead and add that shortcut to the folder here that I have on my dock to restart my iPhone. So now every time I press on this icon right here, my iPhone will prompt me, are you sure that you want to restart your iPhone? If you click restart, obviously your iPhone now has a restart option. Now you see here that again, I have several options. I have shutdown, I have silence, I also have the battery stats, the flash I can also enable from this option right here, as you can see right there. So this is a very neat way to add utilities to your iPhone. Again, all you have to do is add a shortcut right here and select from the controls options. By the way, there's other options down here available for you as well. So you have device options as well, which expands on the capabilities of adding these actions to the home screen of your iPhone. So there you guys have it. Are you using this? This is something that's very useful. Let me know what you think about this in those comments down below. Thank you for watching this quick video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.